Now I'll be showing you a picture which will be flashing on your screen for at least 10 seconds. Please take a look at that particular picture. Quaker Oats in 3 minutes. This is how they have positioned themselves in the Western market. Why? Why? Because look at the breakfast culture over there. In the West, breakfast is something which has to be gotten rid of. It's a quick bite for them. So something has to happen quickly during their breakfast time. My brother who stays over there, he spends 2 minutes to consume his breakfast. 2 minutes, that's it. 2 minutes to heat it up and 2 minutes to have it and then rush to his office. Despite being an Indian, he is aligned, he is automatically, unknowingly aligned to that particular culture. But for us, breakfast is an indulgence. We spend at least 20 to 25 minutes having breakfast. So, for Quaker Oats, this sort of a 3-minute positioning sounds baseless in the Indian market because the way we consume breakfast is totally different. Yes. So, how did Quaker Oats enter the Indian market? Before I tell you this, understand a macroeconomic stat that I'll be telling you. World Health Organization has predicted that by 2025, India would become the diabetic capital for the world. I really hope that doesn't happen, but this is how they have predicted. So for Quaker Oats to make entry into the Indian market, they need to touch upon this particular pain point. They can't be like 3 minutes stuff or we produce a delicious breakfast. Hello? You are competing with the richest cuisine in the world. India is the richest cuisine in the world. You have no place. Quaker Oats doesn't have any place in this particular Indian setting. But they are business people. They know how we function. So how did they enter? They have positioned themselves as a healthier alternative to a typical Indian breakfast. Because some of the breakfasts, or maybe you can say 60 to 70% of Indian breakfasts are diabetic, unfortunately, because we add too much and that is when it becomes diabetic. So Quaker Oats has positioned itself as a healthier alternative to a typical Indian breakfast. Just watch 2 commercials which are on its way. So have you seen the elements which are present in Quaker Oats? It's not projecting itself as a quick thing. It's projecting itself as a healthier alternative. Also, if you clearly observed the ad, they are going after the modern housewives, not the traditional Indian housewives. They are going after the young couples, newly married young couples. They are more likely to subscribe to Quaker Oats. So when you keep the term culture in your mind and once you are doing international marketing and penetrating India, this is how you need to do culture. Okay, what's the Indian culture and how do I penetrate using Indian culture as a key phenomenon? Clear?